Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change availability on HotSchedules. So the first step is of course head over to HotSchedules.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top left corner of your screen, you should see a black icon just beside the HotSchedules logo, and all you have to do is click on it. Then next, from the navigation menu, click on Settings, then click on Personal. Now from your personal page, you should see the availability feature. Now to change availability, click on the specific date that you would like to change. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you can see here the key that shows to mark a day available, it should be white, and gray for unavailable. To change a specific day or date to available, drag the timeline to the left, and to make it unavailable, drag it to the right. Then once done, head over and click on Submit Availability. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!